Fine. Today let us discuss peasant movements in modern India. One bit generally is going to come from this area. So, peasant movements between 1850 to 1900, there was a new trend in the peasant movements during this period by like support of intelligentsia and taking the support of legal system. And let me ask you a few questions from this area. Indigo revolt started in 1859-1860, and who were the leaders of this Indigo movement? And Indigo movement started in a village called Govindapur in which state? And indigo cultivator's plight was vividly described in one of the books of Dinabandhu Mitra. Can you name that book? And during this period, a Deccan movement was there. Deccan movement causes mainly because of slashing of cotton prices and enhancement of land revenue by British government to the tune of 50%. And who were the immediate targets during Deccan movement, and what was a new method they used in this Deccan rights, like I don't want to talk what was that new trend in Deccan movement. And at the same time, Pabna, there was agrarian unrest, and the famous leader of Pabna movement was Kudimalla. So, these were the three movements, and Pabna movement was supported by one intellectual person who wrote or who gave Vande Mataram, the national song, which was first mentioned in his book. What was the book and who was the person? And Land Alienation Act was given by under one viceroy. Can you name that viceroy? Around 1900. And during non-cooperation movement, there were few agrarian movements in India, like UP Kisan Sabha by Indra Narayan Dwivedi and Gauri Shankar Mishra, and who actually supported this at that period, one particular freedom fighter. Can you name him? Madadi Pasi was associated with which movement? That's also peasant movement. And during this peasant movement, there was one wanderer actually wandered from one place to another place by carrying one book, Ramcharit Manas, written by Tulsidas, and Tulsidas was contemporary of Akbar the Great. And can you name that person? Ali Musalyar was the leader of which peasant movement in India? And Gandhiji was actively associated with two peasant movements, Champaran Satyagraha and of course Kheda Satyagraha. Champaran Satyagraha was to protect the interests of indigo workers, and here there was a system called dash, according to which 3/20th of the land the farmer should grow indigo cultivation. What was the system name was known as? And Kheda Satyagraha was mainly, the reason for Kheda Satyagraha was dash. And 1928 Bardoli Satyagraha, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was associated with it, and who gave him the title Sardar. 1936 All India Kisan Sabha was founded at Lucknow. Who was the founder and who was the secretary? I'll give you secretary, Acharya Anji Ranga. And Tebaga movement, one of the most popular peasant movements, happened in which state? And the biggest guerrilla peasant movement perhaps in the history of India before independence and immediately after the independence took place in which state? Thank you.